Okay, so that's Tata Motors. Let's look at Lupin very quickly here. What's happening? Avinnash, any thoughts? Lupin? They've taken a big price increase.
Yeah, I think a 3-time kind of price increase for some of the diabetes drugs. So my sense is, I think this is definitely a positive move. I think, after we saw a little disappointing Q1 numbers, especially, from the US markets, I think this is definitely a good move, and clearly to some extent, the earnings growth could possibly kick in. And this is a very important drug, a very large market. So to that extent, I would say that, even at the current levels, Prashant, if one were to take a slightly medium to long term view, I think clearly one could definitely get a better risk reward. I would not be surprised if, probably even at the current levels, you could see levels of say 2200 over the next 12 months.
Okay, 2200 in the next 12 months. Let's look at Aurobindo Pharma. It went up some 2.5, 3 yesterday. Let's look at Wockhardt. Wockhardt was up, I think, 3% by close yesterday as well. Those two names? Avinnash?
No, I think Aurobindo Pharma again has been delivering very well on the numbers front, and I think clearly, if one were to take a call in building a portfolio, I would definitely suggest that Aurobindo also has a very strong portfolio as far as its US product parcel is concerned. But I think Wockhardt, Prashant, I would like to wait for some time, because here, to be very frank, the volatility in earnings still continues, and we have been hearing a lot of recalls on certain category of drugs by Wockhardt. So clearly Wockhardt is more of a speculator's favorite, and more importantly, Aurobindo and clearly something like Lupin are more stable kind of players, which probably don't have these kind of regulatory issues.
Okay, so that's Wockhardt up about 1% or so.